Air Jordan 1 Low FLYEASE. Gold Swoosh 2024 release information. The wings logo, air cushioning, and premium leather are all still there in this iteration, which also debuts the Nike FLYEASE closure system. With its strap and zip closing around the heel, the FLYEASE system's user-friendly design makes it simple to put on and take off. Black, white, and metallic gold are strikingly combined in the Gold Swoosh edition. In addition to offering durability and a polished appearance, the leather upper gives the shoe a structural feel and a high-end aesthetic. With every step, Nike Air technology improves cushioning and adds comfort by absorbing impact. They can be worn on a variety of surfaces because the rubber sole provides dependable traction. It's now simpler than ever to wear your fave Jordans thanks to the FLYEASE system, which further enhances the sleek look. For every situation, the Air Jordan 1 Low FLYEASE Gold Swoosh blends traditional Jordan design components with contemporary innovation. SRP is $130.